Have you ever wondered why some product ideas quickly turn into structured business models while others never take shape? Well, in this lesson, we're going to explore how to write an effective ChatGPT prompt for generating a business model canvas, a powerful framework used by product managers and innovators around the world to visualize, validate, and communicate their ideas. This video is especially valuable if you're a business analyst, product manager, product owner, or scrum master, because it gives you a practical tool to accelerate your early stage product planning and strategy. By the end of this video, you will be equipped with a reusable prompt structure that can turn any product concept into a draft high quality business model instantly. So the first step in this step, what we will do is we'll write a ChatGPT prompt for business model canvas. So this is the general prompt structure which I have discussed in a separate section earlier. So just a reminder, what this structure does is, in the first step, we'll tell the role or actor name. Then in the next step, we capture the description of the product or the project. And then in the next step, we capture the names of sections for the framework which we are going to produce. Then we write the name of framework, write the name of author of the framework, then we describe the product. And in the last two steps, we provide any additional constraints or quality parameters which ChatGPT should use for generating this framework. So this is the template structure we are going to follow. Let's see the example business model corresponding to this. So in this case, what we are doing is we are following the template for generating a business model canvas for Amazon style website. First step is assume you are a product manager. So instead of role, we are giving the role as product manager, because usually the business model canvas is authored for a particular product by the product manager, or sometimes it is authored by product owner, product director, so these kind of people. But product manager is most suitable for this kind of role. That's why we are using the product manager. In the next step, we are describing about the product for which we are generating this business model canvas. So in this case, the product is Amazon style book selling website. Then in the next step, we are writing the names of the sections which we are generating for this business model canvas. So I have written 9 section names of business model canvas, which are customer segment, value proposition, channels, customer relationship, revenue stream, key resources, key activities, key partnership, and cost structure. And then in the next step, I have written the name of the framework itself. In this example, the framework name is Business Model Canvas. And in next step, I have named the author of this framework, which is Osterwalder. Then here, what I've captured is a description of the product which we are building. This is same as the step number 2. So this is exactly the copy of the 2. And then in the last step, what I have done is I have written an additional rule which I want ChatGPT to follow, which is all the sections, for example, the customer segment, proposition, all these sections should be written in points. So I want ChatGPT to produce all these sections in point format. So just a quick summary of this prompt. So here, what we are doing is we are asking ChatGPT to assume the role of a product manager for Amazon style book selling website. And we want ChatGPT to generate 9 sections of the business model canvas, which are customer segments, value proposition, channels, customer relationship, revenue stream, key resources, key activities, key partnership, and cost structure. And these sections are for the business model canvas. And business model canvas is authored by Alex Osterwalder. And this business model canvas we want to generate for Amazon style book selling website, and we want all the sections to be written in points. So that's a high level summary of this prompt. In the next step, we will use the ChatGPT prompt that we have written and run it in ChatGPT to generate the business model canvas. To summarize, in this lesson, you learned how to structure a ChatGPT prompt to generate a business model canvas. Here's what we covered. The core components of an effective AI prompt, including role definition, product description, and naming conventions. The exact 9 sections of the business model canvas as proposed by Alex Osterwalder. A practical example of how to write a GenAI prompt for generation of business model canvas for Amazon-style book-selling website to bring the theory to life. This prompt framework can now be reused or adapted to fit any product idea you're working on. Thanks for being part of this session. You've now built a solid foundation in writing structured prompts for ChatGPT, an essential skill for modern product teams. In the next video, we'll take this prompt and run it in ChatGPT to generate the actual business model canvas so you can see the results in action and start using them in your own product toolkit. Looking forward to seeing you there.